Thanks, Jordan. Now, reigning 100-meter national champion Rowan Watson says the main focus ahead of the new track and field season is executing the first half of his race as he looks towards the Olympic Games this summer in Paris. Watson sped to 6.67 seconds to win the men's 60-meter dash on Saturday at the J3's Fuller Anderson Development Meet at GC Foster College.
Well, better starting, trying to get a better 30. So that is the aim for this year, at a better 30. Finish is already good. So that is the preparation in training.
Nishani Banks with 6.68 seconds and GC Foster College's Javon White 6.69 were second and third respectively. Meanwhile, in their second season as professional athletes, twin sisters Tia and Tina Clayton took the top two spots in the women's equivalent in times of 7.22 seconds and 7.27 seconds respectively.
Well, for me, it was a great race and it was a great feeling. Well, the preparation for the season is going very good. I am coping with the program now, so it's going very well. I become more disciplined with my food intake. After all that I went through last year, with injuries, setbacks with health, so I have decided to be more disciplined to what I intake, and I have seen results. I have lost a lot of weight. That's all I can say. I cannot tell you how much I lose, but I have lost a lot. And I can say everybody is proud because they didn't believe that I could lose it.
Apart from the Olympic Games in Paris this summer, senior athletes are also preparing for the World Indoor Championships to be held from March 1 to 3 in Glasgow, Scotland.